Well, today we're launching our air multiplier. It's a fan, but the most noticeable thing is that it has no fan blades, and it doesn't have the disadvantages of a fan blade. What the fan blade does is to chop the air up as it's sending the air towards you. Each blade sends a slice of air towards you, and what you feel is a turbulent, almost slapping from the airflow. Now, what this fan does is to take a small amount of air in here and shoot it out through this slot that's going all the way around here, which is a 1.3mm wide slot. And the fan shape, which I'll explain in a minute, draws in air and multiplies the airflow that's going in there by about 16 times. So the amount of actual airflow you're getting is the same as you'd get with a fan with blades, except that it's smooth. It's like a smooth wind, a nice gentle breeze blowing at you, rather than the rough buffeting that's rather uncomfortable in front of a bladed fan. Now I'll explain how it works. I'll have a cut-through section to show that. Now the air comes in at the bottom here and goes through this mixed flow impeller, which gives high pressure and high flow. And the air comes out of this little slot here. Can you see that? And it goes over this aircraft wing shape. And that, if I can explain how that works, the air is rushing along, and the air can go straight underneath the flat bottom. It doesn't resist it at all. But if it goes over the top, it creates an area of negative pressure because the air is having to accelerate over a curve, and that's what makes an aircraft wing lift. Now in this case, what it does is create negative pressure, and the negative pressure sucks in air from here. So it's already multiplying itself. And then it goes down an expanding cone. As it goes down the expanding cone, it expands and creates a negative pressure here. So it adds more air coming through here. So we've already multiplied it several times already. And then as it exits as a cylinder of air, breeze coming at you, you add more air through something called viscous shearing. So there are three ways from this aircraft shape here, wing shape here, the expanding cone, and then the viscous shearing that occurs here, multiplies the air from 1 to 16 times. So you get 16 times the original airflow that was going through here. And the advantages are that you don't get the buffeting that you get with a normal fan. It's a nice cool breeze. It's obviously very easy to clean, unlike a conventional fan, and you can put your hand or your head through it. It's entirely safe. It's also rather nice because the centre of gravity is low, so when it comes to adjusting it, you just push it into whatever position you need and it stays there, and it's very stable because the centre of gravity is low. And as you can see, it's oscillating, and you can adjust the speed with a dimmer switch control here. And much better and much greener than air conditioning, because obviously this is only using 40 watts, whereas air conditioning is 2,500 watts. And you get no sick building syndrome, especially if you open the window. So it's a very nice way to keep you cool.